Guys, good morning, it's me Luis. One more day is Monday. Today we have a busy day, so and I have two helpers today, no, three helpers. We have all my kids today because I don't want to get these kids at home laying down, laying in the bed, watching TV, playing video games. No more. So they will be here with me on the head day today. So I got two guys inside. Let's see how they can do it with the mongoose. So let's gonna start working. Yeah. Okay. So let's go. Okay, kid, don't play. Start. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Go, go, okay. Dale, dale. Okay. Dale, go. Okay, so he's working with the mongoose. More speed! Slowly. The corners is slowly. Okay, a little bit. More. There you go. That's the perfect speed. More. No. Just push it. There you go. Just keep así haciéndole pressure para acá. Dale. Keep going. Don't be scared. Hey, slowly, puto. Espérate. Slowly, güey, no mames. Dale. Es que te está saliendo, güey. Púchalo adentro. Así. Es que te sales de del chat, güey. Espérate. Putas. Sí. O sea, puchándolo para acá, güey. Dale, slowly. Dale. There you go. We broke the clip. The gravity stopped. Dale. A little bit more. Dale. That's it. Stop. Okay. Now vas a aflojar el shaft así para que puedas puchar el unlock. Esto vas a desbloquear, güey. Y ya puedes girar este. Ahora voy para el otro lado. Ahora le toca a tu brother. Okay, now let's go on this side. Okay, no, déjame agarrar pásame el mongoose, güey. Aflojar ahí, pushale este botón hacia arriba. Push it. Déjalo puchado. There you go. Entonces vamos a volverlo a poner aquí. Right there. Y now go all the way here, the bottom. Okay. Es la moving card. Y ahora vas a empezar tú. Alright. So let's choose this one. Okay, now it's your time, papa. Dale. Perdón. Listo. Ready? Dale. Vas a detenerte acá. You stop it when you go close the suction cup. Dale. Keep going. Stop. Pass this guy right here. Now, let's go. That's the gravity stop. Dale. There you go. Dale. Keep going. Don't be scared, you're with dada. You're with your papa. Mira, además como me estás doblando, cabrón. Ya. Güey. Ahora sí. Brian, just bring me the quick set. Mira nomás, güey, cómo me volteaste mi pinche dado, güey. Okay, now the quick set, please. I need the quick set, please. Emily, Ve poniendo la Sasha, por favor. La X30, please. I need it. I need it. Oh, thank you. That's a big help today. No more home. No more TV. Just work. Woo. That's music. Right? Okay guys, so we already cut the glue out, so it's time to just leave the guys use glasses, buddy. Your glasses. Or you out. Alright. Aguas para allá, papo. Voy para arriba. Aguas. Careful behind. Oh, Emily, where is my X30? Alright guys, my Sasha X30, todo está ahí, perfecto. Okay guys, so now we're gonna clean. You see, no damage, even a kid can do the job. So, broke the gravity stops, was a big V on here, but we finished. So see you in the next shot, we're gonna put it in and let's go for the next one, okay? Let's go! Ponte tu safety. ¿Dónde están tus safety?
¿Te puedo grabar? ¿Qué?
No, no, Brian, no. No, lo tengo en mi head, güey. No toques, no touch. Remember that. Ya, güey, estoy grabando, okay? Let's go finish this job. I wanna go home. Chido.
¿Por qué guardas tú esto? O sea...
Ah, porque uso, cuando pongo core glasses que quito, lo uso lo que me sobra. Sí, para no desperdiciarlo. Okay guys, let me put this one on. Let's take a breakfast and go home. And go home. Cierra la puerta, por favor. Close the door, please. Thank you. Voy por ahí, papi. Aguas, Brian. Así muévete para este lado. Cuando te vayas a sacar de espaldas. No vais a agarrarlo, papá, porque se tiene glue. ¿Listo, papá? ¿Listo? Después ustedes lo van a hacer, ¿ok? Next time is your turn.
Yo no lo voy a poner.
Yes, you do. Yes. Yes. Because your dad will be an old man in the chair. Sitting on the chair all day. Yes, Dad. You know? Okay guys, so we finished the job. This one was fast. My daughter just cleaned and get the glass ready. These guys helped me. We're done, okay? See you next shot. ¿Qué pasó? Chale. Bueno, ya está así. Vamos a armar. Ya nos falta otra camioneta. Ahorita nos vamos en esta por la otra. Y ya vamos por la otra y luego ya la regresamos toda y nos venimos. ¡Nombre! ¡Nombre! Pues sí, pero hasta que yo no termine de hacer algo, adelantar, no puedo irme. Chinga. Cállese, güey. Cállese, güey. Oye, pues ¿qué esperabas, Emily? ¿Que ibas a estar nomás de paseo? ¿Qué pasa? ¡Oh! Me levanté la costita, güey. Chingada madre, me dolió. ¡Ah!